Hi, good morning. This is a review for Unit 7, and we are working on number 5 at the moment. Okay, let's review number 5, problem number 5, okay? And let me read it for you. Kevin sold 40 bottles of olive oil at a total cost of 275. A smaller bottle holding 16 ounce or ounces costs $5 each. A larger bottle holding 32 ounces costs $8 each. The equation and graph below can be used to determine the number of bottles Kevin sold, where X represents the number of bottles of 16 ounces and Y represents the number of bottles of 32 ounces. Now, if you notice, you have two equations there, all right? The first equation represents the number of bottles, and the second equation represents the cost, all right? I'm pointing them to you right now, all right? And look at the graph. The graph shows x-axis as 16 ounce bottles, and 32 ounce bottles is represented by y, okay? Question there is, how many 16 ounce bottles of olive oil did Kevin sell? So again, you want to concentrate on the 16 ounce bottles, okay, which is the x-axis, because he's asking for 16 ounce bottles on the question. All right, so with system, you need to know where the two lines intersect, which is right here, okay? And what makes up that point? Well, it's the value of x and the value of y. And the question is asking us for the value of x, which is 16 ounce bottles. Now, if you look at it right now, it's smack in the middle of 10 and 20. Okay, so right in the middle of 10 and 20 is 15. So the answer, of course, is 15 bottles, which is B, right? All right. Thank you.